it's really important to give plants quite a long watering. Now, what is a long watering? Well, for a new plant, if you can leave the hose on there and time it, say, for 2 minutes, then that will actually be quite a good sum of water which will filter through that root ball and go down. And what you want is for the plant's roots to chase that water down in the soil. If you water too regularly, then the roots will come up looking for the water. So the thing about these hoses, you see, is that here at East Ruston they're on about an 11-day cycle. So the garden's split up into zones, and every 11 days one system will go on. But it will go on at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and that system will stay on pumping out water until 8 o'clock the following morning. So that's 14 hours this one area
and that's
is putting that moisture into the soil, and that's really important. But it only happens once every 11 days, so the roots go down chasing that moisture.
Another crucial thing is timing. So there it's going on at the end of the day, and certainly, okay, if the only time you can water is under the midday sun, then go for it, but really you're looking for early morning and evening. Yeah,
that's ideal times, first part of the day, at the end of the day. But if a plant is showing signs of stress, get some water on it, but don't worry about putting the rose on it and wetting all the leaves up, because that's when it'll burn. Take the rose off, get the moisture straight into that root system, and it'll keep the plant pepped up until later in the day, when we might get a bit cooler and the plant's got a chance to take that moisture up rather than just keep it transpiring out of the leaves.